So in this video, we're going to start the Python app. So whatever the app we want to set it up, right? We'll create one file and we'll run that app. So we'll create one file like shop.py and we are going to paste the code. The code is nothing but it will run the primary app here. So I'll be providing all this the details of how to run the app and also the content of the app. The code and everything will be presenting in the GitHub repository. So primarily in this code, right, we are going to write three functions. One is for the DB connection and one is for the slash product and slash add, these two functions. So these are going to connect to the DB and list some whatever we try to add to the cart using add function, and whatever we want to fetch, we can fetch it from the products function. So here in the host, right, we have to replace it with the host name of the instance what we have created, RDS instance, right? That will be a host name. Just copy that one and paste it here. So here you have to make sure that you copy the username, password, and the database name also. So database one is the name what we have given in the while configuring RDS. So now you can save and quit this one. So now you can start running this app. So now we can start running this app. So you can see, right, now the app is running. So it is running on port 5050, 10.10.11.198 is the IP. So now you can curl this site from your Bastion host, so that it will we can check it whether this is working or not. So let me jump into the Bastion host now. So this is my Bastion host. Now I can curl the URL now. The reason why it is not coming is we have to open the 5050 port here for the Bastion host, for the app security group. So port 5050 inbound port should be open 5050 for the Bastion host. You can save it. Now you can curl it again. You can see, right, slash products is working now. So it has list some products from the database. So now we are going to start another server, which is nothing but app server B, which we are going to place in another subnet. So the same app, because of redundancy, we are placing that in another subnet. So let's launch an instance, app server B. You can launch the same Ubuntu instance. So if I take up the diagram, right, first app is already set up in the first subnet. Now we are setting up the app private B in the another AZ, like AP South 1B. So you can select the you can edit the settings for network settings. You can select the same key. Select the VPC and select the subnet like 1B. So you can select like private subnet B, app server B. And public IP should be disabled, and select the security group, same thing what we have created, app EC2 SG. And pretty much everything remains same. app server B. So yeah, we can launch the instance now. So it takes some while. Now it's started. Now let's grab the private IP of it. First, we have to jump into the Bastion host and then log into the private instance. The same procedure we're going to follow here, installing the app. So it will be the same thing. Only thing is like we'll change the subnet. Like this is a if you can see right, it will be connected to the 12 subnet. Yeah, earlier it was like 10.10.11. Some IP. Now you will get 10.10.12.76 is the IP of the instance B. So we'll continue with all the installations. So now everything has been completed. You can see that server is running in 10.10.12.76 port 5050. Now let's check whether we are able to connect to the database from our app server B. So we need to install the MySQL client core. So let us install and check. So you can see, right, we are able to connect to the database from the app server B. So in case of failure of app server A, even B server can connect to the database and query for all the necessary information. So even you can curl this from Bastion host, you are able to open the site.